the secret I told you about, the one who saved my life. Do you remember me? Come on, please say you remember me.
Of course I remember you. You were the most beautiful thing I'd ever seen.
You should take a look at your own reflection. I see rainbows reaching skyward, pass between the clouds and fade from me. What beautiful was, but now I see you. And though I see the willows weeping precious, the misty morning air, how clear and starry night, there's nothing to compare with you.
And you knew it? You knew I was a swan?
Of course I did. That's why I asked you to come with us. If only you would have been strong enough.
Well, now you may come with us and learn our ways.
And my mother? Can she come too?
Oh, of course I can't. I'm just a baggy old duck. I couldn't teach you the ways of the swans.
But you taught me to swim.
Yes, and from what I can remember, that nearly finished me off. It's hardly surprising, really. Fancy me teaching a swan to swim.
But I've only just found you. I'm not sure what to leave you again so soon.
My place is back on the farm with your father. Bless him. They say birds of a feather should flock together and grow places with the swans. Besides, I think I know someone who's rather keen that you should go with them.
But are you sure I'm ready? I don't think I'm ready yet.
Of course you are. Now go on before I start getting all tearful and unnecessary. But make sure that you come and visit us on the farm, okay? Take care of him for us, won't you?
But, my dear, I know this is hard for you. We'll keep him safe.
I'm sure you will. Well, go on. Let's see you fly. Go on. Take a run at it. That's the way. He was different. He was different from the rest. Of course, he can't belong with me. I know I should have guessed. He wasn't mine to mother. He wasn't mine to rear. Another dream has washed away. Another dream. Another mother's tear. One, two, three.
Honk! You didn't think I'd leave you again, did you?
Oh, but you must. You must think about yourself. It's your life and you belong with the swans.
But why? You're my mother. You raised me. That's what counts.
Well,
It takes all sorts to make a world. And you yourself said that the duckyard would be boring if we all looked the same. So we've decided to come back. To be different.
We're both coming back.
To be the first swans on the lake. I've been different all my life. I was different as a duckling, and now I'll be just as different as a swan. I like being me. I like my honk. I like being different.
oh, you certainly are that. I am so proud of you. Well, what are we waiting for? I can't wait to see Drake's reaction. I think he might lay an egg, and what that might turn into doesn't bear thinking about.
Wait a minute. I have some unfinished business to attend to.
Hello, Duck.
Swami, how I love you, how I love you. You can play with your duck before you goose it. You can chicken your swan before you grouse. Together we could free to say your mind.